This house is over 100 years old. I'm at this gorgeous 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, just a little over 2,400 square feet, $665,000, just a couple blocks away from Utica Square. It's beautiful. Let's check out the front.
You're in for a real
Pretty. Love the white fence. Natural looking landscaping. This house is over 100 years old.
Yes.
Nice big front porch.
Love the front porch. Plenty of room for family and
Yes.
friends.
Let's take a look. Right, left. Michael, walk right in. Right into the living area. Gorgeous. Beautiful fireplace. A couple different seating areas here. There's another one. You guys can be in it. I'm just going to continuously record it. It's fine. And look at the baby. Oh, hi. That's so cute. Look at the kitchen. We have a massive island right here. See that?
So it's so weird.
Some more built-ins on this side. These people love their wine and have a wine fridge built in.